jumping right in, we are starting it with the Born to Repair Nourishing Shampoo. I'm literally just lathering this up throughout my hair, making sure I get the back, my edges, my ends, my scalp, really just getting in there and trying to get my hair as clean as possible. Also my scalp. I am going to go in with my scalp massager and just going to scrub like I said before. And for the new girlies who don't know, I do have low porosity hair, so product buildup definitely happens for me. So just want to make sure that I get any dirt, debris, product buildup out of my scalp, just so it can be nice and squeaky clean. I will say that I did like this shampoo. I love the smell. It was very light. Also, it didn't feel harsh at all. My hair didn't feel stripped. The product does say that it's supposed to cleanse your hair while also keeping it moisturized. I definitely agree with them trying to sell that. My hair did feel moisturized. It didn't feel stripped. I felt like I still had all my natural oils while the product was also giving me moisture back also. Now, I did throw a lot of water around while I was rinsing my hair off, and this is me realizing I threw water, so I'm gonna clean y'all off a little bit. Can you see me? Now you see me. So now after the shampoo, you're supposed to go in with the 60-second moisture treatment. So yes, folks, you're only supposed to leave this on for a minute. I was a little culture shocked myself because I at least leave a product in for 15 minutes. Like if we're talking about a treatment, we're talking about a treatment. But nope, it says that this works in 60 seconds. So I put the product on my hair. I detangled to make sure it got on every strand. And I twisted both sides of my hair up. And I let it sit for 60 seconds. That's what the instructions said, so that's what I did. So of course, after I let that sit, I rinsed it out. I did rinse it out while my hair was still in the twist. It just made it easier. I don't know why it's easier, but it is. It's just easier and quicker, more efficient, and it got all the product out. Or maybe the product just rinsed out your hair easily. I don't know, but it worked better that way. And I can say that my curls do look nice, as you can see after the treatment. So I guess all you need is 60 seconds. We'll go with it, right? So after the treatment, you go in with the Nourishing Conditioner. It has like a lotion texture, as you can see. I split my hair in two just so I can make sure that, like I said, get the product on every strand of hair, you know, get it on my ends, work my way up, make sure I get my edges, just make sure I get it throughout my hair. We are going to detangle, and this definitely has better slip than the treatment. As you can see, like I said, did my ends, worked my way up, and the conditioner smelled good as well. Honestly, the entire line smells good. So I'm just gonna make sure I use my detangle brush, start from my end, smooth my way up, just to make sure I get product on every strand of hair. And plus, I like my hair nice and detangled. It just makes styling so much easier when we get to that part. jumping right into styling, this is just an extra step that I do because I do have low porosity hair, so my hair is dry and it's just hard to get, you know, products to really stick to my hair and to make sure that my scalp is nice and moisturized. So I'm just going in with the rosemary mint strengthening oil, just putting that all throughout my scalp, and then I will rub it in like so. So jumping right into styling, we will be using the Born to Repair Defining Cream. So this is kind of new for me because I always when I'm styling, I use a leave-in conditioner. Well, this line didn't have a leave-in conditioner. It literally just has the defining cream. I don't know if maybe in the future they will come up with a leave-in conditioner, because this is the reason, as you can see, I'm struggling. This is why I like a leave-in conditioner, because it just has better slip and it's easier to detangle your hair than it is without a leave-in conditioner. But I put the leave-in conditioner. I'm starting with my bangs. I started with my ends, moved my way up, and then I detangled. And as you can see, the product is definitely doing its job. It is defining my curls, but I don't like that it doesn't have a leave-in conditioner, only because that's just what I'm used to. But just moving right along, I am basically going to do what I did to my bangs to each section of my hair. I am just going to use that defining cream on my ends, move my way up, make sure I use that detangle brush to make sure I get the product on every strand of hair, you know, working on my ends, slowly move my way up. And I hope y'all enjoy the results. Like I said, the defining cream definitely did its job. It definitely defined my curls, and y'all will see the end results. I think for me, I just would have preferred a leave-in conditioner, only because that's just what I'm used to. So I do hope they do add a leave-in conditioner to this line, because to me, I have no complaints other than I wish I had a leave-in conditioner, but that's just me. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You're literally just gonna watch me detangle the rest of my hair. Like I said, just making sure that I get the product on every strand of hair. So enjoy watching me get these curls to flourish with this defining cream, and you will see the end results at the end of this video. But please hit like and subscribe, and thank y'all so much for rocking with your girl. I'll see y'all next time.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. your love.